If you're looking for the best booster car seat in 2025, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the top 5 booster car seats for kids, carefully chosen based on safety features, comfort, durability, and real parent reviews. Whether you need a high back booster or a backless model for older kids, this list will help you make the right choice. All the product links are listed in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Now let's get started. Number 1, Perego Viaggio Flex 120. First on our list is the Perego Viaggio Flex 120. This premium booster offers 4D total adjust technology, which means you can independently adjust the headrest, backrest, side wings, and recline for a perfect fit as your child grows. Unlike bulky designs, it has no armrests, so kids can climb in and buckle themselves with ease. For comfort, the plush cushioning and 5 reclining positions make long rides a breeze. Safety is a top priority with its aluminum reinforced backrest and rigid latch connectors. Plus, it's foldable, lightweight, and even compact enough to fit in an airplane overhead bin. A great choice for families who travel often. Number 2, Diono Solana 2 with latch. Next up, the Diono Solana 2. This is a backless booster built to last for kids from 40 up to 120 pounds. It's designed with XL padding, contoured cushioning, and padded armrests for maximum comfort. Kids will love the 2 retractable cup holders and snack trays for snacks and drinks on the go. Parents will appreciate the easy installation thanks to automotive steel latch connectors and adjustable straps. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to switch between vehicles. Perfect for busy families. Number 3, Chicco KidFit Zip Air Plus Booster. At number 3, we have the Chicco KidFit Zip Air Plus. This high back booster offers DuoGuard protection with a rigid shell and EPS foam for superior head and torso safety. It also features a 10-position adjustable headrest for growing kids. The standout feature here is its adaptive 37.5 technology fabric, which helps regulate body temperature, keeping kids cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Add in the Super Cinch 1-pole latch system, zip-off covers for easy washing, and 2 foldable dishwasher-safe cup holders, and you've got one of the most parent-friendly boosters on the market. Number 4, Chicco GoFit Backless Booster. Number 4 is the Chicco GoFit ClearTex Backless Booster. This model is best for older kids who meet booster seat requirements. It features belt positioning guides, an Ergo Boost contoured seat, and double foam padding for long ride comfort. It's made with flame retardant free materials and is Green Guard Gold certified for healthier air quality. Plus, the machine washable seat pad, pop out armrest covers, and dishwasher safe cup holders make it one of the easiest boosters to keep clean. With a built-in carry handle, it's also super easy to move from car to car. Number 5, Graco TurboBooster 2.0 Backless Booster. Finally, we have the Graco TurboBooster 2.0 Backless Booster. One of the most popular choices among parents, this seat is Protect Plus engineered, meaning it's been tested for frontal, rear, and rollover crashes. Designed for kids ages 4 to 10, it supports children between 40 and 100 pounds. It includes adjustable armrests, hideaway cup holders, and a sleek, modern design. Parents love that it's budget-friendly, highly rated, and rigorously tested for extreme car interior temperatures, so safety and durability are guaranteed. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 booster car seats for kids in 2025. From premium travel-ready options like the Perego Viaggio Flex 120 to budget-friendly picks like the Graco TurboBooster 2.0, there's something here for every family. All product links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. Thanks for watching, and safe travels with your little ones.